How the hell are you? Wonder if anyone's going to get the notification because I just streamed like an hour ago. Huh? Everyone having a good day? You guys having a fantastic day? Oh, interesting. You having a fan-fucking-tastic day over here? I think I got like 2 hours of sleep. I don't know if I slept 10 hours this week. At least the last 3 days. Total. Yo. Oh, Benny's here. Mally. Oh, really? That's cool. Welcome. Welcome. Slick Rick, The Ruler, Konija, Benny, Robert Gallus, Ron. Ron, good to see you. Signed, Jay. Yokozuna, Mob Barley, Marcine. The Photoshop King is back. You wait till you see what I Photoshopped just in the last fucking 20 minutes. Coach Canute, Renee Bleh, Ronnie, Cajun, Clinvale, Eric Graham. Oh, Benny, you actually got a notification this time? Rebby, Alfred, long time no see. Hey, guys. ZERODAYJAY here, not in my garage. Jack, boom. Lou Coran, Dario. I remember doing a couple of, I showed you guys I showed you my poll a couple of times, asking if you got the notification or not. And every fucking time, like, only like 35 to 40% of the people got the notification. Man. Vincenzo, Zach, Yassine, Volks. Is that Subi guy? Volks part? Luke, I am your father. Home from the tour bus. Yeah, I'm not on the bang bus right now. Bacon. Not on the bang bus. Let me D-Walk. What up? Is it Subi guy? Is that you, Subi guy? All right, anyway, let me turn my screen sharing on. Why would it be Subi guy? He's a Subi guy, not a Volks guy. My bad. Yeah, never mind. My bad. The Big Brother bus. Bowser, Jason. Robert Gallus. That's good. I'm fucking happy that you're getting notifications. Man, I'm fucking tired. I got dime bags. I got 20 bags under my eyes. All right, let me hide my let me put away my close some of these OnlyFans tabs, you know. Close the tabs with the OnlyFans on there and my Grindr account. I don't want you guys to see my Grindr profile, you know. On there, my username is Brokeback Jay. Zero's OnlyFans J. What is Apex? Oh, OPEX? Options expiration day. It's a big day for monthly options are expiring. They always expire the third Friday of the month. So that brings on some added volatility, in case you haven't noticed. Oh, this is my Apex account. Remember that account? Remember these accounts I had? Remember these accounts? I was up fucking $182 today too, and I was like, you know what? I've said this how many fucking times too. I don't think I should trade anymore. I should just leave it. And then of course I traded some more, and then shit started getting crazy, and I lost it all on day 5 with 3,400. Look where they were at the peak. But don't worry, I passed an eval. This one I blew last night. It's better to blow an Apex funded account on day 1 than day fucking 5. Fuck me. That would have been nice. I was right there. What the fuck? Why do I keep getting hung up right there? I got to stop with that shit. And then I got these new ones here. These are also brand new, and these are up 979, 959, 959, and 959. And then I passed an eval. I actually had other evals that blew. I tried to pass. This one came real fucking close. And these two, I was right, but gold was just moving around too much. But I should have went in with half. If I went in with half, I would have been good, because it dumped around the time that I was getting in. But I did pass 2. I'm 2 for 5 on evals. That's Apex. That's Apex, guys. I got my flip day in on Take Profit Trader. That's all I had to do. Just ain't right. Wow. I know, bro. I know. Peace shenanigan. Marcos. I know, bro. What happened? I happened. And I was being, you know what happened? I stopped being patient. And I was annoyed that I passed on really good trade opportunities that would have been more than enough. I would have gotten it. I would have gotten over 4,100 today. But there was nothing wrong with being up 182 and being up 3,400 through 5 days. So it's just something I got to get out of my stupid fucking head. Carlos. Nice fucking job, bro. Clinvale. Are we green? No, we're not green everywhere. Although if I was only trading on Project X, I could make believe I was green everywhere by just changing the colors, you know, and hiding all the numbers like Top Step does. Did I say that out loud? PJ. So that's that. What else do I got? Oh, this is the fucking account I got paid on. Again, I wasn't patient. I got a little, I don't know why. I thought I saw something. I was wrong. And the shit was moving around a lot. And a couple of trades later, I was down. I hit the daily loss limit. But I still have the account. Keep in mind, I had hit the daily loss limit last week. And I ended up taking the account to a payout anyway. I just got paid $614. I don't have any in the show. I'm not going to log into my bulenox account to show you, because I'm not trading bulenox today. I didn't trade it because I'm waiting on my payouts. I requested, hold on. Let me move my fucking, oh, you can see it probably. Let's see. Can you see it? Yeah, you can see it. 1,500 from 553, 1,500 from 554. I'll see that money on Wednesday. And bulenox said, I'll see you next Tuesday to my balance. They're going to take my balance. They're going to take this off my balance on fucking on Tuesday night, and then I'll have $2,900 of drawdown to work with. They're both over 4,400. I think they're at like 4,457. So I'm going to be in really good shape to get another payout. But that's the thing. Can I fucking actually do it? And then this is my TradeDay Simfluencer Cup account. I got it up another $1,687. I'm up 7,100 overall. I'm about 1,900 away from passing, or 2,000 or whatever. I don't know what I got to do for consistency, but I'm real close to passing this fucking thing. Hopefully I could do it. I don't know what day I'm on. I think I'm on day 3. Hopefully I could do it Sunday, going into Monday or Monday, whatever. But with that said, I have moved up a bunch, and that doesn't even include today. I'm in 5th place among participants who have not yet passed their evals or blew their funded accounts and then back trading evals. Not going to name names, but I'm in 5th place, and I don't know where I'm going to be after this. I might be in like, I don't know what these guys have done. I might be in like 3rd place, 4th place. I don't know. I don't really care all that much, other than it looks cool. It looks a lot cooler being up here than down at the bottom. So we'll see how it goes. And then, more importantly, so I did it again, right? I did it again. I blew these fucking Apex accounts again, over at around 3,000 again. But you know what else I did again? You know what else I fucking did again? I got a fucking payout from fucking trade day coming, baby. Look what I did in these fucking accounts. Big day. Big day. So I'm $939 over the buffer in 2 accounts and $1,284 over the buffer in this one because I traded this one by mistake by itself. Too bad I didn't trade them all together. Otherwise, they'd all be that way. PJ. Robin. And then there's one time at Bandcamp. So I'm going to be requesting fucking 939 plus 939 plus 1284. 3,162 times 0.8 is what I'll end up with. 2529. I'm getting 3,000 from bulenox, and I got 614 from Lucid. So I did this in 1 week. $6,143 in 1 week. You know, payouts booked or collected. Pretty fucking good considering how shit's been going. So it just goes to show, like with this prop firm shit, look at that. Just goes to show with this prop firm shit, like you're not that far away from turning things around, no matter how bad it might look or seem. Because it looked really fucking bad for me. At one point, I felt like I was never going to get a payout again. But I knew I was going to. I mean, come on. What are we doing here? Let's see where we rejected off of. Oh, look, a 786 rejection. What a fucking surprise. David Schneider, what's up? Thank you, Robin. Alfred, you're requesting 4,100 from Take? Damn, bro. Stock Tiger, what up? Yeah, but dude, you know how it goes, man. It comes in waves. I think you have more payouts than me overall, or at least this year. I don't know. What up, Jay? Dude, Jay, at one point, the range on gold is like 1,700 plus ticks from top to bottom. Isn't that fucking crazy? I did trade a lot of gold. Let me look. I'll look in my trade history. Uh-oh, I might have to log back in. Hold on. Yeah, I'm timed out. 1 sec. I got to hide my screen. For my safety and your privacy and your protection. What life lesson did I learn from the movie Forrest Gump? That life is like a box of chocolates. I got to hide my balances. All right. Damn, what a drop. How many ticks is this? 575? Oh, just a casual fucking 260 tick drop. Nothing to see here, guys. What's NQ doing? Kind of just cruising back up. So let me just see what these what I traded. I don't remember. Mostly gold, I think. A mix of gold and NQ. Add filter. This is what I did with gold. Oh, I could, yo, that's fucking cool. So I made $1,100. I netted $1,100 trading gold. That's cool that you could do that in Tradeday. And then did I do that much? I netted 1,600 trading the NQ. I did better with the NQ. I felt like that's that's why you could. It's good to look into shit like that. I thought I did better on gold. I mean, I was still profitable on gold. Shit. That account. You know why? Because the first trade I took was NQ, and I only traded this account by mistake. Let me go into the other ones. GCZ guys. What? You see, guys? So I did the same amount, 1,142, but it's probably going to be, I don't know, it'll be about the same. Maybe, let's see. I still did more. I did 1,300 on those other two accounts with the NQ. What's my win rate? 51% win rate on the NQ. $53% on GC. Man, my win rate's not that good. But hey, I'm still requesting fucking $3,000 plus. Boy, yo. Feels good to be back in payout land. Especially with trade day, because now I could do it again on Monday. Yassine, Crank, Hot Shot, Robert Gallis. Nice job, man. Thanks, Jay, for keeping me protected. Investors. MG. Lake Degen. Yeah, so I did just this week alone. So, you know what I'm saying? Like, we're capable of a lot more. And I did that, and I fucked up these Apex accounts. Obviously, I wouldn't be able to lock these in for this week, but I could have locked them in for next week. But, oh well, we'll just have to try again. I have these four anyway. I have these four. Decent start. I passed this one. I passed this one. Let's see if I can pass this one. Where did we bounce? Is that the 618 bounce? We got a 618 bounce on the Fibonacci, the happy Fibonacci. Let's see. Hey, look. Let me get rid of this one. Not a 618 bounce. It bounced off the midline. Interesting. Yash. Jason. Is this fun? Where? No. Is that funded trading pips? The ones that I was just showing you? Showing you guys? No, this is trade day. This is the second day I traded. Well, I've had these for 3 days. I didn't trade them at all yesterday. I got them up $499 on Wednesday each. And then I fucking pushed them over the buffer today. So now I'm going to request later on when as soon as everything settles in my account, I'm going to have a little personal payout request party. I'm going to have the Jergens on the desk and maybe a sock. Oh, Crank. Oh, I did. Yo, Crank. I did request that. I'm not gonna get it. I'm not gonna get approved till next week. So the way bulenox works is you have until the Friday of the week you're trading to request to get paid the following Wednesday. So I made the cutoff, so I don't have to wait an extra week. If you miss it, right, and you request on a Monday, you have to wait until not that Wednesday coming up, but the following fucking Wednesday. So try and time your shit. I know we want to activate our accounts right away. But I requested here. I'll show you. I was just here. Look, Crank. This is one of them. I requested it yesterday. I'm not gonna know for sure until Tuesday night. Tuesday night they'll deduct the $1,500 from my balance. That account, that's 554. This is 553. Make it happen, investors. Yash, nice job. NJ. Yeah, we might goon session. Yeah, thank you, Jason. Yeah, it's trade day, bro. It's trade day. Newts. Is it? It is. It's like that minus the day one and daily payouts. You know what I mean? Day trader cut. Thank you, man. Thank you. Especially after what I did to the fucking Apex. Could you believe that? I couldn't believe it either. I was like, what the fuck just happened? Donna. Oh, Donna. Oh, Donna. Hey, by the way, I'm on Twitter or X at ZERODAYJAY. If you want to follow me, let me know if you did, and I'll follow you back. A follow for a follow. All right. What are we doing here? Going lower. I think we're going lower. How much? Uh-oh. Shit's starting to get a little freaky. I'm at that was a previous stream. I was at the lake yesterday. Cut. And like you asked me like what trades did you take? I'm like, it doesn't matter what trades I took. I was so fucking pissed. Yeah, Cajun. Gold got shellacked, and guess what? It's still over $4,200 a fucking ounce. I'm in the trade iffy cup? No. I will not be participating in the trade iffy cup. One cup. It's bad enough I'm putting any focus on this thing. Although I'm in 5th place. And I'm probably going to be higher on the evaluation leaderboard. I'm in 5th right now. But I also got another, like, what did I do? $1,700? Where is it? $1,687 to make them holler. I'm probably going to be a little higher up when they post it on Monday morning. Cajun. Yeah, God, bro. I'm sorry. I was so fucking pissed. Cause like because I've been doing my best to not fucking do what I did. And I did it anyway. So I was just fucking pissed. And I was more pissed because I passed up golden opportunities where we were rejecting on the 786 off the golden shower pocket. You know? That shit pissed me the fuck off. Look at this rejection, though. Fucking crazy. Look at this shit. Look at this. Look at this. Fucking 786. Amazing. You know, it's almost like, obviously, I think you know, like how people like, what's your strat? And you got to have an edge and all this shit. I think my edge is the Fibonacci. All the other stuff, I have a couple of other things I like to look for. But man, the fucking fib, I see the fib so good. But it's like anything else. It's not always going to work. But man, all day this happens. All fucking day. Especially on the shorter time frames. No name. Nah, I gotten plenty of payouts from Apex under the new rule format. Probably like 30. A bunch. I was less than 800 away, bro. I was up 182 today. Let me see if I'm still logged into this account. I posted it. I posted it earlier. Here we go. In the best community on these prop firm streets. So this is where they were before the day started. Before the trading day started. I was up $182 in realized gains. So I was up about 3,400. And then I got in a trade to go short. And that would have been the clinching trade. I went up a little bit. I went up a little bit. See, I was up maybe like $100, 80 to $100, and then it just started doing this, and then fucking flipped long and fucking stopped me out. And after that, I was down like 900, and I was like, "You piece of shit!" And then there was a trade after that I got almost. I was actually back to green, trading gold, and then it pulled back, and I got shaken out. And I was only down a couple $100, and then I don't know. After that, I just fucked up. I just fucked it up. And I said, just like the last time, I literally was saying to myself, I don't need to trade this anymore. I could just leave it. I still have to trade for 3 more days. But whatever. You know what it means? What up, Sean? Holy Earth, what's good? Miss K, 60-hour trader. All it means is that I'm getting closer to fucking finally, getting some more payouts from Apex. That's all it means. I'm getting closer. That's all I have to fucking believe. I have to believe that. If I don't believe that, then I'm a lost fucking cause. All right, let's see what the NQ is doing. Oh, it rejected right off of this line. I don't even remember why I drew it. I should have named it. This one's called fucking piece of shit. This one's called hourly mwah. This one's called October 7 dump. I don't know what this one is. Sorry, my daughter's texting me. What up, Death? Clinvale. Have I ever been on probation with Apex? No. Never. Faisal, not yet at least. What's good? Oh, yeah. See, that's what happened. Yeah. Dude, I have those tendencies too. So like when I traded this account by itself by mistake, I forgot to check off the group. And I'm like, ugh. So like it kind of bugs me that they're not the same because I've been copy trading them this entire time. So I'm like, you motherfucker. But whatever. I'm taking a fucking payout. You know what's going to happen? After I request my payouts later on today, they'll be the same amount because I'm going down to the fucking buffer, dog. Am I using hard stops and take profit targets? Yeah, but I trail. I'll trail with my stop when I use a stop at all. But I'm not putting a stop and I'm not like putting a take profit and a stop in and like worrying about my risk to reward ratio. I'm not doing shit like that. You know what my stop is on a 50K Apex account? Before I lose 30% of my drawdown. So I don't violate the fucking improper risk management rule. And then my take profit is, most of the time it depends on what I'm looking to get. It depends on what I think is going to happen also. I don't know how much lower it's going to go though. Day trader, cut. You know what I'm saying? Maybe down here. What's gold doing? See, this is why I didn't want to chase gold. The 786 is down here somewhere. For a bounce. But it bounced off the 618. So, no, it bounced off the midline. Shit. It's a midline. It rejected off the 786. Part of me feels like it's going to go lower, but I don't know. Is Trump talking or anything? No name. The only time like the 5-to-1 it becomes a concern for me is like when I'm in a trade and If I go down $100, all I want to do if I'm gonna get out of the trade green, and if I was already down 100, I want to make sure I fucking come out of it if I'm green more than $20. That's the only time I care. I don't care about where I place my fucking stop and my fucking take profit. I'm not adhering to that bullshit. I'm trading the way, you know what I mean? I don't think they don't care that much about it. It's what happens during the trade is what you got to be more concerned about. Yeah, cut. Yeah. That's what I'm saying. It's probably going to be let me get the fuck out of these accounts before I accidentally take a trade in here and make sure I don't have any open fucking orders. $15.13. That's the one I got to trade. Just waiting for a fucking opportunity. Netflix on Tuesday and Tesla on Wednesday. Nice. Remind me on Tuesday and Wednesday. What up, Eric J? Just ain't right. Hey, nothing wrong with that. If you have an itch to scratch, just grab another eval. Triple M's. Yeah, crank. I don't know how hardcore they are about that. They're more hardcore about the 30% rule. But I've heard there's been people that come in here and say, I violated the 30% drawdown rule and I still got approved. So I don't know. It depends on who's looking at your account, I guess, when you're under review. One payout cycle. You don't even need to wait two. One payout cycle. You don't need to wait a second payout cycle. Like this right here. That right there is like 50 ticks. 68 to 28. 60 ticks. I could have fucking just went in short there. Kenny. Yeah. It is. We're right around the 786 too. We rejected off of this level that I drew. I don't know when. There is some fucking indicator on my shit that's making these blue lines, I think. Or is that just DNQ? I mean, or is that just fucking trading view? They're annoying. D-Walk. Does it burn when you pee too? Triple M. What price is the golden shower pocket? The 786 is at the 786 is at 25,000. $25,015 right here. I just don't know if we're gonna. I don't know what's gonna happen here. Is Trump coming on the talk? Because that could fucking matter. Oh, there she is. Jonathan Trentwell. Oh, those are the session lines. Because that. Thanks, man. I thought it was. Yeah, there was an indicator that I used to use that would like change colors, signaling to go like long or short when I was trading options. So that makes sense. So I go to the 15, it's going to be bigger. Yeah. Thank you, bro. It was just, I noticed it the other day and it like was bothering me. I'm like, the fuck? But whatever. We're back. See, I don't know what's going to happen here. Dude, anything could happen in 9 minutes with OPEX. From what I've seen in the past, OPEX shit usually goes up during OPEX. So keep that in mind. I'm not saying it will. I'm not saying it was aliens, but it was aliens. But I'm not, I don't know if 100% obviously, but I've noticed that with OPEX, it goes up a lot. When I say a lot, I mean often. And sometimes it goes up a lot. I'm just waiting for an opportunity to do something. Nothing's happening right now. There's some sort of consolidation going on with gold. I'm leaning towards this breaking up, but you never know. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what's going to happen here. Shit's just moving really fucking slow. Miss Goody, Nayo, Tony Gold, Maximus, Casalisk, Coach Fred. What up? Yeah, I blew these. Yeah, Miss Goody, weren't you on my stream earlier? I thought you'd seen this already. Did you see this? Did you see this sweetness right here? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I'm requesting everything until the buffer. It'll be about 2,500 and change net, 25 or 2,600 net. Well, that's right. Yeah, Eric J, is he talking? Is he talking again? You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to fucking... Yeah, I would wait. Triple M. Yeah, Apex, their sale expired last night. 80% off. That expired last night. But you know them. They'll be doing something soon. They always do. The Photoshop master. That's right. Green makes the kitty purr. All right, I'm going to go get some more coffee before MOC hits, and I got to pee. So don't go anywhere. And if you do, smash the like button on your way out for Trevor LeConte. And thanks for hanging out. I'll be right back, though. Figured I'd get the coffee now before fucking the algo candles come. Uh-oh. Damn, this shit went down. Motherfucker, man. Look at that. More than enough for me to fucking pass an eval. Faisal, you talking about Apex? I wonder why. That's weird. All right, I'll be right back. All right, I got back in time. Tory trades eyebrows. What's up? L4. Yeah. Yeah. Very soon. I feel like down is the way, but you never fucking know. I'm going to go short. That's it? It's fucking OPEX. Whoa! 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 That shit's fucking... I'm blown away. I'm blown away. I think the market's just suffering some fatigue from everything that already happened today. And it's funny, it's funny I have an order to go short when I literally said that OPEX a lot of times just goes up. We kind of have like a little head and shoulders here too. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Wow, what a fucking nothing burger so far. Did gold do anything? Why is gold moving more than fucking the NQ for OPEX? I mean, for fucking MOC. Look what gold just did. Went up like 80 fucking 90 ticks. What the fuck? That's crazy. It's like opposite day. That's fucking weird. I'm going to get filled and it's going to fucking bounce on my bounce. I'm going to be so fucking pissed. I finally get filled, but it's not moving. It might fucking bounce off of this level. I wanted it to shoot through it. Oh, I'm so glad I didn't get filled. I'm going to move this up a little bit so I can get a better fill if it decides to go back down, but I don't know. Yo, I almost got fucked there. How many points is that? See? You see, guys? Is this going to be the move up? Uh-oh. Oh, I'm fucked. I just got played. What's another blown eval? What's another blown eval? The 54-minute candle was better than all the other candles. Fuck! Piece of shit. Why do I fucking go in short on OPEX when I literally say OPEX is going to go up? Oh, now I got to fucking log in. Hold on a sec. Motherfucker. It's so funny how mad I get. I literally fucking locked in over $6 grand in fucking payouts this week, but this shit pisses me off. It does, though. It does. It pisses me the fuck off. Piece of shit. And it came all the way down. I should have just wrote it down. Oh, look. Now it's going down. What was my take profit? 79.75. Let's see. Let's see if it got... Here it comes. Oh, my God. How many fucking times does that happen to me? I would have been even more pissed. It was right there. It might come down, though. I don't know. We'll see. Fucking piece of shit. White Trash Granny. Doomslayer. MAGA Musketeer. Yeah, of course. What? How else should I be? Should I hide my numbers? Should I hide my fucking my balance? Like you see other coaches. I don't even call myself a coach. The only reason anyone calls me coach is because I made fun of the whole thing. But should I just hide my fucking balance? Hide my fucking my available drawdown like some other people are doing? Elemento. Dude, I've been trading fucking MOC like shit. It's fucking annoying. CT Raps. Where you guys coming from? Reverse. Doomslayer. Yeah, I got cucked too. Corey. Oh, there it is. Of course. So fucking annoying. So fucking annoying. I passed 2 evals today, but man, I'm so like it's the same fucking shit every fucking time. That's actually 1 tick away from my take profit, so I'd probably be even more pissed. MG. Pretty much, White Trash Granny. Jake. Yeah, bro. I don't understand why anybody would hide their shit, especially if you want people to fucking believe you or fucking have any faith in you. Not that I want you guys to follow my trades or anything, but like, so you know when I say shit, I'm not fucking lying. And I have nothing to hide. It's just weird that a bunch of people are doing that right now. With over 2,000 people watching their shit. Sal Tribe. Gold was more eventful, which is crazy during MOC. Yeah, it's the dumbest fucking thing ever, Jake. Why wouldn't you show it? I mean, there's other people who just you don't even see what accounts they're trading, but that's, whatever. I'm saying recently, I'm noticing a trend recently. People who trade on Project SlipX hide their shit. They call it streamer mode. Why? To protect, for their privacy? Get the fuck out of here. This is fucking annoying. I'm annoyed now. I'm annoyed. I can't believe that just fucking happened. Well, I can believe it because I trade MOC like shit. Scooby. A prop firm that I used to trade that I don't trade with anymore because I'm not asking for permission for my Focus Trader Program account. Well, there it is. Well, that's gold. Garbage price action. JC Trades. Gold is amazing. Yeah, despite what happened today with gold, gold is still at over $4,200 a fucking ounce. Gold looks like a lot of fun to trade. There's my take profit. Fuck the NQ, man. Shit. I don't want 5. Who wants fucking 5? I don't know what to do. I don't even need to trade anymore. Like I'm requesting fucking $3,100 after the fucking stream. Oh, awesome. Amazing. Amazing. Yeah, Alfred. And Jack Boom. CT Raps. They do copy them. At least the smart people fade them, though. Cameron Fisher. He couldn't explain his trade? How do you... Of all people. They all call themselves coaches. But I don't have any ill will towards any specific person at all over there. But man, stop hiding your fucking balances. It seems like it's a fucking organizational decision. The orders came down from Paytech. Stop showing your balances so people can't keep tabs on you. What is this shit? Oh my God. I almost went in long too. Fuck it. What a bad spot to do that. Will I get it though? I don't know. Probably not. Probably going to get right to my take profit and then go up the other way. Or not even close. Up here, closer to the 786 was the spot, but whatever. Fucking garbage. Hey, no matter how bad I fucking look right now, just know I got over 6,000 in payouts just this week alone. Don't forget. God, I suck at MOC. Fuck! Now it's going to dump. Because I got it at the worst possible fucking time. What up, Thunderbolt? Hey, guys, new here. Here in my garage. New here. I just created this account yesterday. Oh, thank you, Jake. What a boring ass fucking OPEX. Full tilt. I know. Gross. One more try for Granny. Not that I need another fucking account funded. I'll have 6 on fucking Monday just with Apex. And that's just one of my prop firm accounts. Where did I get in? Watch this. Where's my take profit? $396. Here it comes. It's going to come. It's going to come. Oh, look. Man, it's amazing how often I'm right and I still get fucked. Look at that. I said we were dropping. So stupid. So fucking stupid. How many fucking times does that happen? My take profit got hit here. My take profit got hit here. Obliterated. Obliterated. We almost had a 786 touch and we dropped how many ticks? 156 ticks. I just needed the 30 to happen when I got in. Did I get top ticked? I did get top ticked. I got taken out at 449. I literally got fucking top ticked before it dumped. Unbelievable, man. It's fucking amazing. It's amazing. In case you're just tuning in for the first time, I hold the Guinness Book of World Records of being bottom and top ticked. I'm the best at that, for sure. The GOAT. I am the GOAT of top ticking and bottom ticking. Fuck me. Disciplined trader, what up, Olisa? Amorpha T, what up? Coach Fred, yeah, of course. Casual. JC trades, I saw it too, bro. I saw the rejection. I went short and I got fucking top ticked. And then it dropped 100 fucking ticks. 150. The GOAT bottom. Brandon. Roberto. Amazing. It's just amazing how much gold moves. It's moving right now. It's moving more than the fucking NQ. What's the NQ doing? Nothing. Nothing. And it's OPEX. Nothing, you idiot. Dr. Dre's dead. Fucking crazy. It's just fucking crazy. No, another one? Well, I'm going to get top ticked, and then it's going to fucking hit my take profit. Remember my take profit. I got to move it down a little bit. That's my take profit. 437. Let me hide all the red. Hiding all the red so you can't see it. There we go. I'm green. Is it going to be a fucking cuck or is it going to give it to me? No. Yeah? No? No? Yeah? No? Oh, I got to hide this too. There we go. Now we're perfect. There we go. Oh, I knew it. There goes another blown account. Another blown eval. Don't worry, my take profit will get hit after. Just like all the other ones. Min. I blew them after being up $182. Are you just tuning in now, bro? Don't worry. After I get fucking liquidated on this trade, because we all know it's going to happen, I'll show you what else I did today. Figure it out. Take me out or hit my take profit. God, I suck during this time of day. It's strange because I used to trade this time of day pretty good. And the issue is this is when I stream. This is one of the times I stream. But I guess people could come and watch me suck. Yash, what up, Jay? You weren't on other people's streams. Yo, Jay Min. You feel safer already? Yeah, because This is how to be transparent. Hide it all. You don't even know what account I'm trading right now. Hide everything. Get the fuck down there, motherfucker! Please. Oh, Granny, please. Granny, don't go back up. Now I'm in trouble. This can't go back up. If it does, I'm cooked. Finish him! There's the line right here. Oh, the fucking the fucking 9 EMA. He's got to be a little cuck. Stop being a cuck. Keep your eye on this right here. Please go down more. Oh, game over. Game over. Amazing. I know it's going to hit it after I get taken out. Especially now, it went down even further. I'm fucked. Christopher Branzall. Miss Goody. Granny going on her knees. Take out your dentures. Take them out. Show me those gums, Granny. Nope. Game over. Oh my God, right? So for every account, this is the third eval I'm trading. The other two for the stream, my take profits got hit both times. So I expect my take profit to get hit this time too. I just don't know if it's going to happen before or after. Oh my God. What is this? Is this on? The spread is pretty fucking gnarly too. The spread is like 8 ticks. I'm looking at it right now. You see the spread here? It's pretty fucking bad. Come on, please. Oh my God, it's right there, please. Oh, that is so fucked up. Look how close it was. Oh my God. I'm fucked. It's gone now. Consider it a goner. Look, it was fucking 3 ticks away. 3 fucking ticks. Oh my God. 3 fucking ticks away. It's so fucking funny how fucking I'm telling you. I'm the GOAT of getting fucked by 1 tick, 2 ticks, 3 ticks. My take profit's getting hit one way or the other, whether I still have the account or not. Oh, is that what's going on, Eddie? Fucking yapping away. We need an indicator. He's fucking everything up right now. I'm trying to show Jay Min something. He missed something. It was right fucking there. Although the spread is so bad. It only fucking bullshit. What did I tell you? All right. Remember my take profit. Anyway, Jay Min, are you still here? I did this also. I'm requesting 3,100 and change. Let's see, 939 plus 939 plus 1284. Not a bad day considering what I did to the other fucking funded Apex accounts. 3,162 times 0.8, 2529 plus 3,000 with bulenox I requested plus 614 that I was already paid on Wednesday night, Thursday morning by Lucid. $6,143 this week alone. Makes up for all the fucking Bullshit for the last 6 weeks. LeBron's, what up? Yeah, Carlos, I'm fucking shot. What up, Mr. Rick? Mystic Rick? I called you Mr. Rick. Mystic Rick. Yeah, bro. Hey, don't worry. Let's see when this comes. Like 3 ticks away. 3 fucking ticks away. Couldn't give it to me. Crypticon, you do the same. You do the same. He said Maduro doesn't want to fuck around with USA. Oh, so that's going to make gold go up. Those are fighting words. God, I'm so fucking annoyed, man. I'm tired of fucking getting fucked by ticks. I got top ticked in the other account that I blew. Literally top ticked, and then my take profit got hit. Where was it? Right here. I got taken out at fucking 449. It went up to fucking 450. Look at gold. Amazing. 450. It drops 120 ticks or some shit. 140 ticks. Look at that shit. Couldn't give me 3 fucking ticks before you did that. Well, at least I would get to request more money. At least I get to do that. I did pass 2, though. I passed 1 in here, and I passed 1 in well charts. So, but man, the thing that pisses me off about these is they were at 3,400. They were all at their in realized gains, 3,400. So all I needed was like $700, and I could have done it in as long as I needed to. But I could have done it over the next 3 days, and I was seriously, strongly considering stopping, and I decided to keep trading. That's when you get fucked. When you're strongly considering stopping trading those accounts, that's when they get fucked every fucking time. And this, if I got the job done on these, that would push me over 12,000 for the month. That's a great fucking month for me. Now I got to fucking find it somewhere else. Right back to the 786. Fucking piece of shit. Crazy. JP. Oh, thanks, man. I appreciate it. HR. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Same to you as well. Amazing. Amazing. Fucking amazing. You know, I was for the house, for the other trailer that I bought that we're going to be moving to soon. I was looking into fucking, like the soundproof pods that you could put like in your yard and shit. And like you could be in there fucking screaming like me and no one will hear you. But they're mad money. But then my wife came up with this idea. She's like, why don't you get it and put it in the fucking room inside the house? So when you're going to be streaming, you could stream whenever you want and not have to worry about being quiet because you'll be in your little fucking pod. So I don't know. I'm thinking about it. I'm thinking about it for sure. Lena, 10 after, like 4:09 p.m. Eastern, Lena. Micah, Lieutenant Dan, Corey, Coho, where you been? Hanging out with other streamers? Yeah, my funded futures and Top Step are the same when it comes to that. They halt trading at 10 after 4. I don't remember if Lucid does too. Let's find out, because I have this account that's pretty much blown anyway. I might as well try to trade it. No, you can still trade. You can, I had $2.30. It was already gone. You could still trade Lucid. I think they stop at what, 445 or 450? I don't remember. I don't even fucking know. How'd the week go? I locked in over $6,000 in payouts. Great week. Eric Graham. Yeah, there's hardly any insulation in trailers. Although the older ones are built much better. There's much more insulation. I feel like they use bigger fucking bigger pieces of wood too. Because I've been over there a bunch of times, and on days that it was windy as fuck, and I didn't hear shit. When it's windy here, I hear everything. And even the fucking like the fan blades get spun around in like the bathrooms and shit. It's fucking annoying. None of that happens in the other place. Do I still have those accounts? Yeah. Right here. The Lucid one, I still have two. I just hit the daily loss limit today. And then the bulenox ones, I'm not trading them until I get my money. So I still have my bulenox accounts right here. I requested last night. Nah, it's a MG. It's an inside joke. Someone called me trailer park trash. Another simfluencer called me trailer park trash and just white trash. And said that we all jerk each other off in my Discord. Even though we all get fucking paid. I mean, Dan, August was good. It didn't look great. It wasn't pretty, but I still did over 14,000 in August in payouts. Nice, Corey. It's an inside, so I just call it a trailer. I live in a house. Mamba Lambo. I feel like a bunch of you guys are coming from some other fucking streamer. I feel it. Where you coming from? Unbelievable. It's okay. It's okay. That shit'll fucking wear off. The excitement of whoever else you're fucking watching is gonna wear off. The chemtrails. Yeah, no name. Coach Fred. Have I ever tried funded next? No. Slick Rick. The ruler. Which guy, Coach Fred? I also tell the other streamers that. You're the only one for me, baby. Yeah, we might have to rent out a trailer park for DGen Con. It'll be like a fucking like the music festivals. Like they have a When We Were Young is happening this weekend. We'll rent out the festival grounds. Matt O'Rourke, what up? Real, we'll go full white trash. This is interesting too. It won't matter unless I win. And I just don't, I don't know. But this account is almost passed. This 150K fucking trade day Simfluencer Cup account is almost passed. And I'm in 5th place right now on the eval side. And there's only 2 people with funded accounts so far. There were more, but they blew their accounts. So we'll see how this goes. Kenny. Nice job, man. What did you miss just now? You missed me fucking getting fucked on 3 evals. Well, I got fucked by 3 ticks on the last one just now before it fucking pumped and took me out. I got top ticked on the one before that, before my take profit got hit. And then the one before that, something similar happened. My take profits got hit on every one, except for the last one. Let's see. Where's gold at? Yeah, this one is, I don't know if it's going to happen unless it comes all the way back down. I blew my fucking 3 funded Apex accounts again over 3,000. Again. What else can I tell you? The quick fucking recap. These brand new ones are fucking up almost 1,000 on day one. I passed an eval in well charts. I passed an eval in Trade of 8. I got a flip day number 4 in Take Profit Trader. So this is looking good. How hard can it be to not lose $6 on fucking Monday? I hit the daily loss limit on my fucking Lucid account. This I just blew on purpose because it was already blown anyway. I don't know why I was still in there. I had $2 of drawdown left. I blew this Lucid. I hit the daily loss limit on this account I just got paid on. But last week I hit the daily loss limit on it and I got paid anyway. So I'm not too concerned about that other than it just fucking blows that this happened. My Simfluencer Cup account's at 7,100. I'm up 1,600, 1,700 on a day. And then I locked in not a day one payout with these trade day accounts, but a payout nonetheless. 939, 939, and 1284. I'm requesting later. And I don't know if you were here yesterday, Matt, but I locked in a payout on bulenox also ×2. So 3,000 there. It's already been requested. So although this fucking blows because this could have been $6,000, these 3 accounts, it could be worse. It could be, damn, look at fucking gold. It could be worse. Micah. What's he gonna say? All I know is from what I understand, he was talking a lot of shit after the first couple of days. What's the matter, Penelope? And then he got his funded account and blew it. Oh man. And then he blew his fucking evals again. I don't care who wins this thing. I don't even care if I win. I'm not worried about winning. You know what's more important to me? This is what's more important to me, getting actual fucking payouts without having to beat out 20 other people. I just hope he doesn't win because he talks so much fucking shit about me. Called me white trash. Hold on, I got to let my dog out of the room, out of the other room, the West Wing. You know who I hope wins? I mean, I don't really care who wins, but there are 3 people on the list who haven't blown an account yet. And it'd be cool if one of them won. Going the whole distance without blowing the account and winning the contest. That'd be sick. Kellyanne, FOMO Trader, and fucking Kyle. Damn good Kyle. I don't know what happened today, but as far as I know right now, those 3 have not blown a single account. You know how they have it? They keep track of the resets. I blew mine. I blew 5. I don't fucking care. And I still have a chance. I'm at 7,100 on the eval side. So I mean, I could pass this fucking thing on Sunday or Monday and fucking have a funded account and be in this fucking leaderboard. But I just think it's fucking funny. And I think that anyone who blows a funded account, if you blow a funded account, it should count the amount of, it should be weighted heavier in terms of a reset. It should count as like 2 or 3 resets. Because when you blow the funded account, you're not disqualified. You just go back to eval, the eval side and get your reset. I don't think so, Micah. Nah. Jake, nobody. Jonathan. Talking about nobody. Is gold pumping right now? Jack, boom. Jeez, gold is fucking crazy. I just needed 3 more fucking ticks. This is, look, this is at the end of the day. What the fuck? Look at gold where it bounced too. It bounced here. From this bounce spot, it's up just a casual during power from fucking 320 on. So in a little bit over an hour, it went up 300 something ticks, 330 ticks. Ian. Bro, you gotta set your maximum. You can't do that with the profit settings, I don't think. You gotta go to like 9,999. You know what I mean? Once you get to 10,000, you're in that situation. But that's a great job. It's a fucking great job. Yeah, Micah, there's nothing. That's why this whole time I've been like, whatever. Like, it's not that big of a deal to me. Because the only way I could get anything from this is if I beat everybody else. I have to beat 20 other people. It's a lot of fucking people. Let's see. 19. Yeah, there's 21 people. I have to beat 20 other people to get anything. You know? If I place well, maybe I get some extra clout and some extra followers. Really, that's the only reason I got in. I got FOMO because my link is clickable. Maybe I could get more, you know, we could get more people into the house of DGen. Yeah, Ian. Yeah, you go to end of day now with that shit. Good job though. That's a fucking killer day. Piano. Yeah, dude. You just start back with a new eval, but you still only allowed 2 evals a week. You're allowed 2 resets a week. So whoever did that, and like 3 people so far have blown their funded accounts. They just got to start from day 1 now with new evals. You know? Which is whatever. But now they don't have much time left. If you look at the calendar, you know, they had to have not fucking blown an account today. But day 2, 3, 4, 5, if they're going to do it as quickly as possible, they're going to have to fucking really fucking, you know, trade their asses off. And that means also like forcing trades. A lot of people, myself included, especially in the beginning, are just fucking YOLOing these things. You know what I mean? That's why you see so many people with as many blown accounts as me. Because we're just looking for a place and taking shots. You know, and then I started after I did that a bunch of times, I started actually trading. So I've been actually trading the account. Yeah. Triple M's. My strategy is I guess my way in and I guess my way out. Yeah, Coach Fred. I wish I didn't tell you guys because now you're going to click on everybody else's channels and you're never going to come back. Holy Earth. Yeah, that's the best strategy in the world. Oh, it's trade day. They're doing a competition, like a Simfluencer Cup. By the way, I think, hold on, let me just check my email. Hold up though. Yeah. But anyway, trade day is 30% off with no activation fee when you put in the best code ZERODAYJAY. Take profit trade is 40% off with no activation fee with the best fucking code ZERODAYJAY. My Fund the Futures is 5% off, guys. But don't worry, you could upgrade to get more payouts, get a higher payout. Make sure you select that option when you use the best code ZERODAYJAY. Bulenox is 83% off. Lucid is 40% off for new users and 35% off for existing users. And I think that every Apex right now, I wouldn't grab an account until they do 80% off again. Their sale ended yesterday. NQ was basically a non-factor for MOC and fucking OPEX. Amazing. What's the buffer for Lucid? 2,100. But I think the minimum that you could request, well, on a 50K, I think the minimum you could request is 500. At least I think that's what it was. Yeah, we'll find out right now. Right now! Right now! Live account payouts, pro accounts. Pro accounts are the ones where you get an eval and then you pass. They have 1 day to pass. There's no activation fee ever. You're all in with your eval cost. You could be all in with a funded Lucid account for as little as 81 bucks if it's your first time getting an account with them. Otherwise, it's like 87 and change. So this right here, let's go through it. You got to have, so minimum profit on trading days, depending on the size of the account, 50Ks or 100, 100Ks or 150, and 150Ks or 200. 35% consistency rule. Here are the buffers. I think there was like a minimum like 500 that you could request. I don't know though. I'm not 100% sure. But this is like how much you could request. The most you could request, like depending on the account. And then they have straight to funded accounts. Those have a 20. And this you could do in as little as 5 days. You need 5 days of $100 or more, 150 or more, or 200 or more. I trade. Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. Thanks, TJP. What up, AS? Oh, it is 500. Thanks, man. Corey. John Henry. It is the best fucking code in the world. Did you really? Your first ever payout with what firm? Lucid? 2856? 5 days? Yo, it'll tell you. It'll tell you in your account too. If you go to the dashboard, watch this. Watch this. If you go to account summary, it'll tell you right here. Like you go to pro, and it'll say, it'll tell, like you see all this? It'll say your consistency, right? As long as you're under 35%, you're good. It'll tell you your profit or whatever. Well, today's fucking awful, but it'll tell you how many days you have. Like it'll tell you. And then you go to payouts, and obviously the market hasn't closed yet. So once everything settles, you'll see it here on the payouts page. You just got to get verified. You got to verify your, ID. You could connect with Plaid. You have to, I don't know what else they offer, but I know they offer Plaid as a payout option. Jack Boom. Gold is still fucking pumping, huh? Jesus. It's fucking crazy. It's fucking crazy. It doesn't. It's just insane. You've been trading for like 10 years? Clinvale. Not today, I don't think. Like the last 2 weeks, I got a code. I got a code for a free account from TradeDay as part of this, like, this competition, but I didn't get one today. But I'm going to be doing, I'm telling you, we're getting close to, we're closing in. We're closing in on, let's see. Hold up, though. Hold up, though. I mean, if I get 18 more subscribers, I'm doing a giveaway. When I get 18 more, once I get to 9,000 subscribers, I'm doing a giveaway. We'll give away some accounts. I like to, some other people like to do giveaways every single day. I like to fucking do it on milestones or when I feel like it. So I like to do it like every 500 subscribers, every 100 members in the Discord. And then like, you know, other times. And then you know, I just gave away they gave me a couple of codes at Lucid to give away. I gave away some accounts. I gave away some trade day accounts, but not today. Not today. I was hoping to see one in my inbox, but it is what it is. I think when you get to $5,000 in profit, and that's not 5,000 over the buffer, just 5,000 total, I think that's when they evaluate you for a live account. So they'll either tell you to go through the process to get set up for a live account, or they'll tell you to keep trading so they can continue to evaluate you. Alfred. Yeah, because I'm, you know, it's fine. I know, you know, I know people that do that. It's fine. I just don't want to, I don't want to, like, it's great. I think it's great. I just don't do it that way. Because then only, you know, yeah, sure, I want people to come on the stream and hang out, but I don't know. Then I'll feel like a lot of people are going to come only for that, hoping to get a free account. Marcine, chat, hey, chat. Oh, yeah, that too. Micah, yeah. We got, man, my fucking favorite uncle, Uncle Mo Lester. He's fucking hit the super chat with big fucking wood so many times. And anytime anyone hits the super chat, like I take that money and I turn around and give away accounts with it. I don't like go to Sizzler with it, you know, or go to fucking, you know, Red Lobster. I turn around and use it to give away accounts. And almost every time I do that, I end up coming out of pocket anyway because I end up giving more accounts away than whatever I end up with, which is fine. So we do giveaways a lot. Thanks for reminding me about that, Micah, because it's true. Even though I say I'm going to rug pull the shit out of you guys when you win your accounts, I end up giving everybody their account that they won. Big Dave. Hell yeah, bro. On what? Yeah, 1,500. Here, I'll show you. I'll show you all of them. Hold on. There we go. So check this. These are the buffers right here. $25K, anything over 1,500 you can request. $50K, anything over 2,000. $75K, anything over 2,500. $100K, anything over 3,000. And $150K, anything over 4,500. The 25Ks are tricky, especially for someone who trades like me. If you trade with very small size, like a couple of micros, 1,500, the 25Ks will be fucking money for you. And they're $90 after putting in the best code, ZERODAYJAY. You could have 5 funded accounts at the same time. You could get paid on day one, get paid every single day as long as you're over the buffer. All these other rules that other prop firms don't fucking that other prop firms have don't apply to Take Profit Trader. Just don't hedge and don't trade red folder events. And don't fucking use a bot. You can request 1,500. Yes, Corey. Uncle Mo's in the room? Oh, Uncle Mo, what up? What up? We were just talking about you. But yeah, if you get to 3,000, you'll get to request 1,500, and then you'll walk away with, because they take 80%. I mean, you keep 80%. They take 20%. You'll end up with 1,200. And then if you get to the point where you're a Pro Plus, which is a live account, you'll get to keep 90%. So they'll take half as much as they take when you're just a Pro account. But I don't care. Sign me up for this. You could have 20% if I'm going to get paid potentially every day or on day one, and I don't have to fucking wait. Look at me having trouble getting past fucking days 5 or 6 with Apex. But hey, look at me on the 3rd day of having this trade day account. Look at these accounts. Because they have it's the same as Take Profit Trader. The biggest difference is there's a couple of differences. You could take more money out of Take Profit Trader before they evaluate you for live or push you to live. But then with Trade Day, you could buy an end of day eval and then it's end of day funded. Or you could do that with static. You have your choice of intraday, end of day, or static. Whatever you get on the eval side will be the same on the funded side. But intraday, all-in cost for an intraday, which is what these are, is $59. Big Dave, it's just that, it's just the cost of doing business with them. It's the cost of, it's like the tax to be able to get paid every day potentially, or to get paid on day one. But my funded futures, you don't get paid on day one with them, and they're still at, I think they're 80-20 now. It used to be 100% for your first $10,000, and then it goes to like 90. Now I think it's 80-20 from the jump on the newer accounts. Jack Boom, what is it going to fill the? Oh my God, bro! From the low, it's up almost 700 ticks from the low. But from the high, dude, look at this shit. We almost hit 4,400 today. It's got to, it could fill the gap though. Holy shit. Not today though, but next week. This was a good pullback. We pulled back 170 points today. 100, almost 200 points today in one day. That means it could go back up and make new all-time highs next week. Which is insane. It's just crazy that it's moving right now, like the way it is, when NQ is not even fucking doing anything. Well, it's kind of inching along, but not like gold. Not even close. What up, Cube? If I don't remember, I'm pretty sure I could request payouts on trade day without any sensitive information being shown on the screen. So when I'm able to, if I can, if it works, if that's the case, I'm pretty sure it is. We'll have a payout request party in a little while. I'll come back on, and anybody wants to hang out and celebrate the wins, because it's important to do that, especially with how shit's been going, but also for other people that have been struggling. It's good to see other people win. Gives you hope. If I could get a fucking payout, then you guys can. Anyone who's still struggling. There's no reason why you can't. You just got to put the time in, put in the work to get better, and know that you're getting closer. Scooby Curry. Yo, wouldn't you? Yeah, all-time high. Yeah, now we can look to the left, right? We could look to the left a little bit, TJP, for once. Look what gold's been doing. Look what gold's been doing. We can't even really look that much to the left. Let me just zoom in a little bit. You know what I mean? It just keeps going up. This is the daily. Look at the weekly. Look at this is the weekly. It's insane. Silver's no different. If you were to go to a fucking coin shop, silver was at 54 not too long ago. We went up to almost 54.50. But if you go to a coin shop, it's going to cost you probably $55 an ounce right now as we speak. for one fucking like silver eagle or even a fucking bar. Actually, the eagles will cost more. There's probably like a $3 to $5 premium on the eagles and maybe $2 to $3 on a fucking generic bar. Unless it's like some sort of vintage shit. Gold, you're going to pay like $50 to $100. Watch, if I go to fucking, if I go to JM Bullion, and I want to buy 1 ounce of fucking gold, an eagle, an American eagle, just a regular generic uncirculated gold eagle, which is America's sovereign coin, as low as $44.60. So if I buy one, it'll cost $44.76. The premium on gold is over $200 for 1 ounce. So if I want to get a silver eagle, look at that fucking premium. The premium on silver is over $10. Holy shit. Because you can't get it. There's like a fucking shortage right now. That's insane. I'm just doing math in my head right now. I'm just doing math in my head because I have a little bit of silver and gold. A little bit. Trending World, what up? I wish I had as much silver as I had a couple of years ago. I flipped so much of it on eBay for profit, of course, but nothing like this. Cube, I mean, yeah. Well, you could get that type of metal. You could get that shit. Like if I get watch a Silvertown bar. The premiums on these are fucking high too. This is just a Silvertown is like, they're not even that like, I mean, it's silver, it's real silver, but it's not like a fucking vintage Engelhard or anything like that. And it's still, watch this. They don't even have Engelhard. $1 ounce bar of Johnson and Matthey. $66. Because these are vintage. That's a $14 premium per ounce. I had a bunch of these. Anyway, let's see what the fuck is going on here. Nothing with oh, I thought gold was still going up. iTrade. Yeah, the premium's insane now. I usually like before, like right now, it seems like we're in some sort of squeeze. Before this shit happened, the premiums normally would be like less. The premiums would go down when the spot price went up. And then when the spot price would go down, the premium would go up. So everybody would be able to make their profit. Now these premiums are fucking insane. Uwe, what up? Ian Connor. Just when you're funded. Just when you're funded. Dude, Big Dave, I had a fucking, bro, I had, let's see if I could find it. I had this fucking, the country Cameroon made these fucking Trump coins. They were like gigantic 5 ounce fucking coins. And they were sovereign too, with Trump's fucking face on them. 5 ounces graded, the highest grade possible, which is a 70. They were proof coins, PF 70, I think. Was it Cameroon? I gotta find this shit. I fucking made like, dude, I fucking flipped those. I made so much fucking money on those. I'm gonna see if I can find it. Oh, just the 1 ounce bars here, just the 1 ounce coins. how, I can't go as far back as I want to. Oh, here it is. Oh, that's not it. That's just a 1 ounce. Fuck, man. Where is it? I'm going to find it and show you guys how crazy this shit is. That's as far back as I could go. That's bullshit. That sucks. Maybe I could do it a different way. Nah, it only shows like a certain amount of time. They were sick. I think I paid like 700 for them, and I was selling them for like, I sold like the first two for like 1,500. It was fucking crazy. And I think I flipped like 3 or 4 of them. Nick Trades, what up, man? Gold, look at gold. It just keeps going. It just wants to keep going. Let me see if I can find it. Trump, 5 ounce Trump, PF70. This is it right here. I flipped so many of these. That's not, this was it. This one right here. That's not, that's Obsidian. Now they have Obsidian. This, oh, yeah, this is it right here. Are they going to show it? That. This thing, the slab, this thing was fucking huge. You're like, it's like holding a brick in your hand. I didn't have the COA. I just had the fucking coin graded. Killed it with that shit. This thing sold for $2,500. Isn't that crazy? It only shows what's for sale, I guess. Pretty fucking sick. Oh, we did just go higher. Isn't that nuts? Nutso, nutso. Anyway. I'm going to fucking, I'm going to go. I got to get off. I got to make my videos. And then I'm going to wait for trade day to update. And if I could request, I don't remember if there's anything that shows. So I'll go through it. I'll go through it and make sure there's nothing that will be showing. And if you want to hang out, if I could have a payout request party with trade day, we will. And if you're around, come hang out. If not, I'll see you next time. But I'll probably be streaming Sunday night. I'll definitely be streaming Monday through Friday for Power Hour every single day, 3 to 5 p.m. Eastern. So hopefully I'll see you at one of those. Like with 12 dogs. Thank you. I'll see you guys soon. Smash the like button on your way out for Trevor Laconte. Subscribe to the channel, all that good shit. Enjoy the rest of your day. Enjoy your weekend. I'll talk to you soon. Peace.